Hello Bladers. It's so easy to buy a car nowadays given the rise of the digital era. But it's not just a simple buy and drive type of thing. It's more difficult to understand what makes your car run, let alone know how to keep it in perfect shape. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. 5 basic things every car owner should know. Number 1. Car engine oil. Most drivers think that oil is there to help your car burn fuel when in fact, it's there to lubricate, cool, and clean your engine. Number 2. Spare tire. Your spare tire isn't designed to add frivolous decor to your car, it's there in case you get a flat tire. Trust me, it's such a hassle and drag. So make sure to familiarize yourself with where it is, including your jack and other tools, so you don't have to look for it when you need to change your tire. Number 3. Vehicle fluids. Another basic component that every car owner should take in mind is car fluid. If you want to keep your car running smoothly, make sure to check them regularly. Number 4. Headlights and taillights. Headlights and taillights go dimmer as time passes by, make sure to inspect them from time to time. Also do a little cleaning to make the road a lot more visible and avoid danger. Number 5. Get a great mechanic. Last but not the least, make sure to get yourself a great mechanic. A skilled, honest-to-goodness mechanic is hard to come by, but if you find one, then hang on to them tightly. Ask friends and family for recommendations, read through car forums, and go through car mechanic reviews. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.